Today I will show you login form validation. Means one user if put the invalid email ID and password, then error message show. If the user input the valid email ID and password, then redirect to another page. And this is my login page, login.php page. Here are two input, one is email and second one is password, and name is email and same as password. Input name is password and button name is login. Now start. First include connection.php or config.php page. This page means the database connection. And this parameter we pass this button name means login, and collect to input field value. How to collect this? Post first input field is email, then name is email. Copy this and store one variable name email. And copy this, and second input field is password and name is password. Okay, now SQL query MySQLi query. First is con. This con is a connection. This config.php page. This con, and select start from. My table name is user, where email equal to this email, password this password. Okay, if MySQLi num grows, this query pass true. What echo header the location login.php. Okay, or first echo login input is valid. Okay, else copy this one, login input is not valid. Okay, now check, refresh this page, and here one input, the email ID this. Okay, and password is 123456. First input the invalid password. Okay, and this login input is not valid. Okay, now valid input. Refresh this page, and password is 123456. Login input is valid, and this page is redirected. Okay, now check, here we the new register test at gmail.com, password is test, and phone number is okay. Now register. Okay, here, and check insert or not inserted. Okay, now check this, and password is test. Okay, then login. Welcome to login page. This is a code. Thank you for watching.